Hello everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex, and today's word is charge, a B1 level verb meaning to demand payment or attack. So, when we say charge, we're talking about asking for money for a service or good, like a store might charge $10 for a t-shirt. It can also mean to rush forward and attack, like a soldier might charge into battle. Let's look at some synonyms. Words like bill and attack can sometimes be used instead. For instance, the restaurant will bill you for the meal, or the lion will attack its prey. Now, let's think about antonyms, words with opposite meanings. Words like pay and defend work well here. For example, I will pay for the coffee, or the knight will defend the castle. Thinking about everyday life, you might hear, what do they charge for delivery? Or see headlines about a bull charging at someone. You might also say, she will charge you for the consultation, or the police are investigating the charge. Let's use charge in some phrases. They will charge interest on the loan. He led the charge. The device needs a charge. Or the witness made a charge of theft. To recap, charge is a verb that means either to ask for money or to attack. We've covered synonyms like bill and attack, and antonyms like pay and defend. It's a word you'll hear all the time in different contexts, so listen for it. Thanks for joining me today on Hello Word. Remember to subscribe to the podcast and please leave a review. Your support helps others find us. Also, create your own sentence using the word charge and share it as a comment below the video. I'd love to see what you come up with.